So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a brand new faucet. This is provided by the homeowner, and it's the Delta 19810 DST. Brand new air gap up here as well. A brand new basket strainer, a brand new mounting collar for a disposal. Brand new in-sink aerator, 1/3 horsepower disposal down here, and then of course a brand new telescoping kit that ties in up to the basket strainer. So that's all brand new tubular, brand new extension and trap. That's all yours existing back there. The white plastic, that's yours. And then of course the shutoff valves. The water lines are integrated into the faucet. That's the 3/8 tubing, the gray tubing you can see coming off both of those valves. Those are integrated into the faucet. And so all that work is ours. We've run plenty of water down here and tested it. And I think I already told you, we got a new air gap for you as well, new cover. So that's all new. The hose from the dishwasher is yours. The hose going down to the disposal, that's ours. It's a 7/8 hose. Over here, the cooktop, we got this installed. This was provided by the homeowner as well. It's a Whirlpool. Put the new regulator on it, and then put it together and tested it. We recommend not running this and cooking with this until you get this hood cooked up, because it does expel gas, partially spent gas into the room, and that's a safety issue. You can see down here what we did. Existing valve on the wall. We just gave you a new corrugated stainless steel connector. We got your regulator installed that came with the units, 3/8 going in, then it's 1/2 inch over here. So we got you some little fittings and turned it nice and flat so it's not sticking down into a drawer and getting hung up onto things. And then the outside, the part on this side is 1/2 inch, so it just swings over 1/2 inch. So that's all tight. Gas is on. Burners work, but like I say, don't use that until you got your hood installed. Outside of that, this installation is done.